Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide to the powerful flip charts on Barchart.com. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock the full potential of flip charts, from accessing them through powerful screeners and customizing charts and using advanced features like the grid view. And we'll cover everything you need to know so you can start analyzing charts like a pro. Before we get started, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. If you're looking for a versatile and dynamic way to analyze stocks and other financial assets, Barchart's Flip Charts is the tool you need. Flip Charts lets you quickly navigate, customize, and compare charts while staying synced with market data. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, Flip Charts makes it easy to spot trends, identify opportunities, and stay ahead of the curve. To access Flip Charts, start with one of Barchart's powerful screeners. You can click on the Stocks tab, and you can find great lists under Market Pulse or Trading Signals. If you click on the Investing tab, you can find more custom screeners like the Bullish Moving Averages. These screeners will give you a list of assets based on custom criteria. You can change the list view here to filter or arrange the list based on custom data sets that you prefer. For example, we'll use the technical view. This view includes data like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for overbought and oversold readings, and also things like volume. We'll arrange this list by volume to see the highest traded stocks first. Once we generate a list in the order that we prefer, you can then click on the Flip Charts icon here at the top of the list. Your flip charts will automatically populate to the symbols from the screener, making it easy to dive into chart analysis. The toolbar is your gateway to adjusting chart settings and adding tools directly to your charts. From bar types and time frames to drawings and indicators, everything you add is saved to the chart for future reference. You can also hide the toolbar by clicking here on the side or on the top to create more visual space. And when you need the toolbar again, just click here on these tabs to unhide the toolbar. You can also click here for chart settings. Here, you'll be able to adjust and customize all the elements and settings for the chart to your preference. And Flip Charts is also streaming updates with real-time data and extended hours, so you'll get up-to-the-minute insights for U.S. equities. And this ensures you're always working with the most accurate information. At the top of the Flip Charts, you'll notice the ribbon. It's synchronized with the data from the table you came from. You can use the arrows to move forward or backward, or jump to a specific symbol directly from the ribbon. Now, customization is a key strength of flip charts. You're able to modify your own chart setup by selecting your candle or bar types, plus add indicators from our extensive library. Or you can click here for bar chart templates and apply pre-made bar chart templates to get charts set up like a pro instantly. This feature allows you to focus on the indicators and metrics that matter most to your strategy. This flexibility makes it easy to browse and analyze charts at your pace without constantly adjusting chart settings. When you see a stock you like, you can click here to add it to a watch list. You'll also be able to see if this stock is on any other existing watch list. You can also set custom alerts here. Let's say you want to create an alert for when this stock is falling. We'll select the custom criteria for this alert to be based on price. We'll select the closing price to be less than $320. Now, we'll be alerted when the closing price of this stock is below $320. You can also create notes about the stock and exit into full screen mode here. If you click more data, you'll get more insight and information about the stock, including historical price data, technical signals, financial information, and a whole lot more to learn more about the company. If you found something interesting that you want to share, you can click any of these social icons to share the chart across your network. For a side-by-side comparison of multiple symbols, click here to use the Flip Charts grid feature. You can view multiple charts simultaneously, all using the same chart setup or template. So we can switch through different chart templates and also view multiple charts as groups as we navigate the list by using the ribbon or the arrows. This makes it easy to identify trends and correlations across different assets and spot opportunities fast. Once you find that perfect opportunity, you can click on the full screen icon to get a closer look and adjust any settings you need to start charting like a pro. With its dynamic features and seamless functionality, Flipcharts is a game changer for traders and investors looking to level up their charting analysis. Start exploring Barchart's custom screeners and use these Flipcharts to scan multiple charts to find more opportunities across the market. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and share the knowledge with a friend. Got questions or feedback? Drop us a comment. And don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and tools on Barchart.com.